హాయ్ దిస్ ఈజ్ సరస్వతి. వెల్కమ్ బ్యాక్ టు మై యూట్యూబ్ ఛానల్ బ్రహ్మ సరస్వతి. ఈరోజు మనం ఈ వీడియోలో డిస్కస్ చేసుకునే టాపిక్ ఏంటంటే మైక్రో కంట్రోలర్స్ అండ్ అప్లికేషన్స్ సబ్జెక్ట్ యొక్క ఏప్రిల్ 2025లో C20 స్కీమ్లో వచ్చిన క్వశ్చన్ పేపర్లో ఏమేమి క్వశ్చన్స్ ఉన్నాయో ఈరోజు ఈ వీడియోలో తెలుసుకుందాం. సబ్జెక్ట్ కోడ్ వచ్చేపాటికి EC502. Coming to part A, there are total 10 short questions. Each question carries 3 marks. First question, list any 6 special function registers of 8051. Second question, define the terms A1 operation code and B1 operand. 3. List any 3 1-byte instructions of 8051. Fourth question, state the effect of on flags of 8051 due to the following instructions. First one, move A comma hash 25H. Second bit, add A comma hash A1H. Next, fifth question, write an assembly language program to load accumulator with the value of 65H and complement the accumulator. Sixth one, state key bouncing problem. Seventh one, write an ALP to blink an LED connected to P1.0 of 8051. Eighth question, compare any 3 features of RISC and CISC architectures. Ninth question, list the important features of ARM7. 10th question, list any 5 applications of embedded systems. Coming to the part B, 11th question, A bit. Draw the functional block diagram of 8051 and explain about each block. 11th question, B bit. Draw the pin diagram of 8051 microcontroller and specify the purpose of each pin. Next, 12th question, A bit. Explain the SFRs associated with timers or counters of 8051. Or 12th question, B bit. Explain the SFRs associated with interrupts of 8051. 13th question, A bit. Explain the data transfer instructions of 8051 with examples. 13th question, B bit. Explain the unconditional jump instructions of 8051. 14th question, A bit. Write an assembly language program to transfer a block of 10 numbers stored at internal RAM location 30H onwards to external RAM location 5000H onwards. 14th question, B bit. Write an assembly language program to generate 1 millisecond delay using timer 0 in mode 1. Assume crystal oscillator frequency at 12 MHz. 15th question, A bit. Explain push and pop instructions with an example. 15th question, B bit. Define a subroutine. 15th question, B bit. Define a subroutine and explain the sequence of a program when subroutine is called and executed. Coming to the part C, there is only one question. It carries 10 marks. 16th question, a push button switch is connected to a pin P1.0 and an LED to pin 2.7 P2.7. Draw the interfacing diagram and write a program to check the status of SW, that means switch button, and perform the following. A bit. If SW is not pressed, that means SW equal to 0, make LED on. B bit. If SW is pressed, that means SW equal to 1, make LED off. These are the questions given in this question paper. I hope you understand this video very well. If you are watching first time my video, kindly subscribe and support to make lot of videos. Thanks for watching my channel. Thank you.